Good day everyone, this is household number 1 and I am CARYL BULILAN from BSA 1A. Today, I will be doing an activity that applies the conversion of unit in daily activities in our own household. And the activity that I will be doing is cooking rice. So, without further ado, let's get started. Since it is just me and your brother who lives in this unit, today I will be cooking just the right and enough amount of rice that we will be eating for dinner. So 1 cup of rice is equivalent to 200 grams. We all know that when rice is cooked, it doubles its amount. A normal person can eat about 1/2 cup of uncooked rice, or its equivalent is 100 grams. Since we don't really eat a lot for dinner, our approximate amount of rice will be 1/3 cup of uncooked rice, or 66.67 grams per person. Since 2 persons will be eating, therefore, I will be cooking 133.34 grams of uncooked rice, which is equivalent to 2/3 cups of uncooked rice. That is just the right and enough amount that we are capable of consuming. However, the only measuring tool that is available at home is just a 1/2 measuring cup. So, how many 1/2 cup does a 2/3 cup of uncooked rice have? So, it is consists of 1/2 cup, and the remaining is 1/6 cup, which we're just going to estimate. In addition, as we cook rice in a rice cooker, there is a proper amount between the rice and water. The general ratio between rice and water is 1:1. So, 1 cup is equals to 1 cup of water as well. Since I am just going to cook 2/3 cup of uncooked rice, therefore, I will also be adding 2/3 cup of water. And that's it. That is my activity that applies the conversion of units in our household. So, let's hop into the next household.
Hi guys, this is HERRA RUTH CALAGO and this is household number 2. So, my mom introduces a new therapy to me and it is a water therapy. She said that I have to drink water at least 2 liters a day. Now, I want to know how many milliliters do I have to take a day, considering that I have a bottle that can contain only 500 ml. So, 1 milliliter is equivalent to 0.001 liters. To convert it, we simply calculate it by 0.01. So, 2 liters equals 1 ml over 0.001 liter. So we have to cross out the same unit and remain the ml unit. So we have now 2 ml over 0.001. And we have to compute it. And we have the result of 2000 ml. Now that we are done computing, the other problem is how many bottles can it make if the bottle can only contain 500 ml? So, we have to divide it again by 500 ml. So, 2000 ml divided by 500 ml. And the result is I can drink 4 bottles of water at least a day. So, that's all for this household number 2. And let's hop on to the next household. Thank you.
Hi, Princess Anne CANILLAS here, your household number 3. So for today, I'm gonna apply the use of conversion of units in our house. Let's go! So our first activity for today is making my lolo's milk. So here, this is my lolo's milk, and it says here that we need a 60.6 grams for making a cup of milk. So we need to convert it to tablespoon. In converting, 1 tablespoon is equal to 14.3 grams. So we will divide the 60.6 grams to 14.3 grams, in which it is equal to 4 tablespoons. So what are we waiting for? Let's make a cup of milk. Here it is. So for my last activity, we will fill this 1.5 bottles with the water inside this 1 gallon. So first, we need to know how many bottles we need to use. So in conversion of units, 1 gallon is equal to 3.7 liters, in which if we divided it by 1.5, we will need to use 2 bottles. So let's start working. So that's all for household number 3. Bye!
Hi, this is NYKEE CANUMAY, student from BSA 1A, and today I will do this activity to present the conversion of units in daily activities in our own household chores. Without any hesitation, I will do the household number 4, which is I'm going to take to charge my phone. Now let's take a look. Now I am going to charge my cell phone because it's only 1% and I'm going to charge it, and let's see how many hours it will full, and I am going to convert it into minutes.
Three hours later.
So it has been few hours had passed, and now let's see if the phone is already fully charged. So as you can see, it states that it's fully charged right here. So it's at 8:33 p.m. So now let's take a look on how to convert it, on how many hours to charge a phone into minutes. So now, let's proceed to the next household.
Good day, everyone. This is TRIXIE CARBUNGCO, a student from BSA 1A, and I will be doing the household number 5. So since I am the eldest among the 6 cousins in this household, I am tasked or assigned to do or to extract the calamansi juice, enable for us to have a fresh, natural calamansi juice to drink. Calamansi is a small citrus fruit and contains lots of vitamins. Calamansi fruit is extremely rich in vitamin C, which is known to be a #1 nutrient in fighting the viruses and retaining iron. It is also rich in vitamin A, calcium, and potassium. In every 10 pieces of calamansi, I will be needing 500 ml of water to satisfy my family's taste buds. How much liter of water will be needed if we will use 30 calamansi? So first, we will multiply 500 to 3, and the total is 1,500. Therefore, we will be needing 1,500 ml of water. And let's convert it to liters. So 1 liter is equal to 1,000 ml, and we will divide 1,500 to 1,000, and the total is 1.5 or 1.5. Therefore, we will be needing 1.5 liter of water for us to have a delicious freshly squeezed calamansi juice. So these are the things that we need to consider in making the calamansi juice. We have here the calamansi, strainer, knife, chopping board, sugar, and lastly the 1,500 ml of water or 1.5 liters. So first thing to do is to slice the calamansi, followed by squeezing the calamansi. The third and the last thing to do is to mix the extracted calamansi juice to water and add some sugar. After doing it all, we now have a freshly squeezed calamansi juice to drink.
Good day everyone, this is Christa Cempron, and you're now up to the household number 6. What we have for today? Wait, do you hear that sounds? I think it's an alarm. Let's find out. I think it's time for me to take my medicine. Let's go. The doctor prescribed me to take 15 ml of this medicine 3 times a day. But the problem is that I don't have the measuring tools to arrive me at exactly 15 ml. However, 4.9 ml is equal to 1 teaspoon. So 15 ml divided by 4.9 ml is equal to 3 teaspoons. Now, we don't use teaspoon in our house. We only have the tablespoon. However, 3 teaspoons is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So, I can use 1 tablespoon as a replacement for 15 ml of my medicine. Now that we know that 15 ml is equivalent to 3 teaspoons and 3 teaspoons is equivalent to 1 tablespoon, I can now take my medicine. That's it for the household number 6, and hop in for the next household. Bye!
Good day everyone, I am ALTHEA and CLARO, a student from BSA 1A. I will be doing the household number 7. So for today's household activity, we'll be making gulaman. So without further ado, let's get started.
These are the things and ingredients that we'll be using. We need casserole, water, cup, and sugar, and the gulaman powder. So, since for every 1 sachet of gulaman, it is stated here in the instructions that we need 2 liters of water, and I only have here a cup that could contain 160 ml of water. So, for today, we'll be converting liters to ml in order to know how many cups of water that we'll be using. In converting liter to ml, 1 liter is equal to 1,000 millimeters. So, we'll be needing 2 liters. So, it is equal to 2,000 ml. And I only have here a cup that could contain 160 ml. So, 2,000 ml divided by 160 ml is equal to 12.5. So, we'll be needing 12.5 cups of water. So, here we'll be pouring 12.5 cups of water in the casserole. Next is adding the gulaman powder and sugar into the water or into the casserole with water. So next, we'll be stirring it until it becomes sticky. Next is we'll be transferring it into a bowl. So caution, it is hot, so we'll need these towels.
After transferring it into a bowl, we'll just wait until it cools down and becomes solid. After the gulaman has cooled down, all we have to do is to cut it into cubes. And this is now our final product.
Hello everyone, this is Karen, and I am household number. Apparently, a teacher asked us to measure some basic items on your house. Aha! What's that my hair? I've never measured this. So how to measure? So try it out.
네 두 눈을 보며 kiss you bye 실컷 비웃어라 꼴종이가 이젠 너희 하나 둘셋 how you like that.
So my hair's length is 12 inches plus 9 is equal to 21. So that will be all everyone. Thank you. Next household please.
Good day everyone, I am Apple May Al CASAS. So since the day that the online class started, I always sleep late because of the assignments and the preparation of quizzes and reports. So I need to drink a cup or 2 cups of coffee every night to prevent myself from sleeping early. So right now, I'm going to share to you on how I make my iced coffee. So I guess the ingredients and the material needed are ready. But I think I forgot the teaspoon. So now let's get it. Come with me. Ma, where's the teaspoon?
I don't know.
Usually, I mix 9 teaspoons of coffee and 6 teaspoons of sugar. But since we cannot find where's the teaspoon, let's use the tablespoon. So let's convert first the teaspoon to tablespoon. So to convert, let's know the equivalent first. So 1 tablespoon is equal to 3 teaspoons. So if I have 9 teaspoons, then let's convert it to tablespoons. So 9 teaspoons is equal to 1 tablespoon over 3 teaspoons. Cancel. So 9 teaspoons is equivalent to 3 tablespoons of coffee. Now, let's go to sugar. So 6 teaspoons of sugar is equal to 6 teaspoons of sugar is equivalent to 2 tablespoons. So now we can proceed on how to make my iced coffee. We have 1, 2, and 3. And 1 and 2. Let's make it. Let's have this water.